So what natural capital accounting means to me is that it's a systematic way of measuring our natural assets, our natural resources, our ecosystems in a way that we can track them over time and compare ourselves with other countries. So in around 2012, I picked up a draft version of the initial global guidelines for ecosystem accounting. And I thought, wow, this is really interesting. And I saw how, as somebody who works for SANBI, the National Biodiversity Institute, all the work that we had been doing for years on figuring out how to map ecosystems and assess them and what services they provide would be directly relevant for this new system of accounting for ecosystems. So I got really excited about that and looked for opportunities for us to become involved in that work. I think NCA can be a powerful tool for assessing how effective we're being as government in our interventions with natural resources, and especially with where natural resources are directly supporting people and the economy. So if we can track that more effectively and understand the relationships, it can help us direct our very scarce public sector resources to the places where they're going to make the most difference. So at the moment, the initial global guidelines for ecosystem accounting, which are called experimental, are being revised so that they can be adopted as a formal standard in a few years' time by the UN Statistics Council. And South Africa, Stats SA and SANBI are involved in the global working groups that are figuring out how to revise those guidelines to get agreement among countries. And the experimental work we've been doing on natural capital accounts is providing lessons that are feeding directly into that process.